Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or you're tasked with preparing the protein for a friendly potluck, this easy chicken parm meatball recipe is for you. And not only will it taste amazing, it'll also give you a restaurant quality meal at fast food prices. Before we get into it, check out the description below for a list of ingredients that we'll be using today. Now, how do we go about making this easy chicken parm meatball recipe? Well, let's get cracking. First, in a large bowl, dump 1 pound of ground chicken. Then, add a cup of breadcrumbs, panko or original, your choice. Next, dump in 1 egg that's been gently beaten with a fork. For flavor, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of garlic and herb seasoning and onion powder, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Finally, toss in half a cup to a cup's worth of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix these all together, first with a fork and then with your hands, until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Once you finish that, you'll want to begin creating the meatballs. Pinch off a good palm-sized amount from the meat glob you have in the bowl and then roll it around in your hand. When you are satisfied with the shape, place it on a nearby plate and then move on to the next meatball. With this recipe, you can make 20 meatballs from 1 pound. Depending on the sizes of your skillets, grab 1 to 2 to cook all meatballs at the same time. Add as much olive oil as you like, and then set the stove to medium heat. When the oil is ready, place your meatballs inside the skillet and cook until all sides are a nice, crispy golden brown. This can take anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes. To make extra sure you've cooked your meatballs, you can cut open the lightest one and check inside for any pink areas. If you see none, then you're done cooking. Let's cook inside and out. Now, if you want to add sauce, like we did, take out another bowl and place your meatballs inside. Be sure to flick off as much of the oil as possible before placing them inside. Then, add your choice of sauce to the bowl at the amount you want. Mix the meatballs with the sauce so that there's a nice portion covering all the balls. And your meatballs are ready. Now my recipe is good for like 20 meatballs, but if you need to adjust the amount of ingredients based on your party size or any dietary restrictions, you totally can. Now if you want to watch more cooking how-tos or learn something new, definitely check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Who knows, your next project might be right here. Now I gotta get back to cleaning.